Lymph nodes are small masses of lymphatic tissue along the course of lymphatic vessels. When a section through a lymph node is examined, you can see an outer cortex which contains densely packed lymphocytes and an inner medulla which is lighter staining. The lymph node is surrounded by a capsule. Just beneath the capsule is the subcapsular sinus. From the capsule, a number of septae extend into the lymph node and divide the lymph node into numerous lobules. In the cortex, there are several rounded areas called lymphatic follicles or lymphatic nodules. So there are primary nodules and secondary nodules. Primary nodules are basically aggregations of small lymphocytes, and secondary nodules have got germinal centers. So what exactly is a germinal center? Germinal center is the central lightly stained region of lymphatic nodule. They contain immature proliferating lymphocytes. Germinal center indicates the response of the nodules to the antigen. So in the medulla, the lymphocytes are arranged in the form of branching and anastomosing cords called medullary cords. Each lymph node consists of a connective tissue framework and of numerous lymphocytes and other cells. The entire node is bean-shaped, the concavity constituting a hilum through which blood vessels enter and leave the node. Several lymph vessels enter the node on its convex aspect. Usually a single lymph vessel leaves the node through its hilum. Points of identification when seen under the microscope. A thin capsule surrounds the lymph node and it sends in trabeculae. Just beneath the capsule, we can see a clear space. This is known as the subcapsular sinus. A lymph node has an outer cortex and an inner medulla. The cortex is filled with lymphocytes. A number of round lymphatic follicles are present. Within the medulla, the lymphocytes are arranged in a form of anastomosing cords, and several blood vessels can be seen in the medulla. All lymphoid tissue basically is easily recognized due to the aggregations of dark staining nuclei. So these nuclei belong to lymphocytes.